Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Bob. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I've been thinking a lot about my study goals and future dreams. I wanted to talk about my plans for the exams and what I want to do in the future. Do you have time to chat?
Sure, Alice. I love talking about our plans. I think discussing our goals helps me stay motivated for studying. What are your study goals this semester?
Well, I want to improve my grades in math and English. I am planning to study harder for the upcoming exams. I set a goal to get at least 85% in all my subjects. I also want to join the school debate team next year because I dream of becoming a lawyer someday. What about you, Bob?
That's great, Alice. I have similar goals. I want to improve my science grades and also work on my computer skills. My dream is to become a software engineer. I plan to study programming and math very carefully. I want to score high in the entrance exams for university.
That's really inspiring, Bob. I admire your focus on computer skills. Do you have any specific plan for preparing for the exams?
Yes, I do. I make a study schedule every week. I divide my time for each subject and include short breaks. For example, I study math for 1 hour, then take a 10-minute break before switching to science. I also practice coding exercises every day. How do you plan your studies?
I also use a study schedule. I write down all my subjects and plan my study time each day. I try to study in the morning when my mind is fresh. I review my notes, do practice questions, and sometimes form a study group with friends. Working with others helps me understand difficult topics better.
That's a good idea. I sometimes study with a friend from my class. We discuss tough problems and help each other. It makes studying more fun. I also like to use online resources like videos and quizzes to review the material.
I love watching educational videos. They make learning new concepts much easier. For English, I watch short clips and practice speaking. I think it helps me improve my language skills, which is important for the debate team.
Absolutely. For science, I use websites that show experiments and explain theories in simple words. It makes the subject more interesting. Do you have a favorite subject, Alice?
I really like English because I enjoy reading and writing. I also like learning about history and different cultures. But I sometimes find math challenging, so I work extra hard on it. What about you, Bob?
I enjoy science and computer programming a lot. I love solving puzzles and problems. But sometimes, math is hard for me too. I try to practice extra problems and ask my teacher for help when I need it.
Asking for help is very important. I sometimes visit the teacher after class if I have questions. It helps me understand better.
I do that as well. I believe that every mistake is a chance to learn something new. Even if I get a problem wrong, I try to understand where I made the mistake.
That is a good attitude, Bob. I think our efforts now will help us achieve our dreams later. Speaking of dreams, you mentioned that you want to become a software engineer. What attracts you to that field?
I love technology and solving problems with code. I think it is amazing that with programming, you can create things that help people and change the world. I want to work on projects that make life easier for everyone.
That is very admirable, Bob. I want to become a lawyer because I believe in fairness and justice. I want to help people solve their problems and protect their rights.
Both of our dreams are very important. It is great that we have clear goals for the future. What steps do you plan to take to become a lawyer?
First, I will work hard in school and prepare well for my exams. I plan to join extra classes for debate and public speaking. I also want to participate in volunteer activities to learn about real-life issues. And later, I will apply to a good law school.
That sounds like a strong plan, Alice. For me, I will continue studying math and computer science. I plan to join coding clubs and attend workshops. I also want to build small projects on my own. In the future, I will look for an internship in a tech company.
That is a great idea, Bob. Practical experience is very important. I think if we keep working hard and stay focused, we can both achieve our dreams.
I agree. Sometimes when I feel tired or stressed, I remind myself of my future goals. That gives me the energy to study and work harder.
I do the same. I often think about how I will help people as a lawyer. That thought motivates me to overcome any challenge in my studies.
It is amazing how our dreams can push us to work hard every day. Even when the subjects are difficult, thinking about the future makes it easier to study.
Yes, and I try to celebrate small victories too. When I get a good grade on a test or understand a difficult topic, I feel proud and happy. It shows me that I am moving closer to my goal.
Celebrating small wins is very important. I keep a journal where I write down my progress. It helps me see how far I have come and gives me confidence for the future.
I like that idea, Bob. I might start a journal too. It is a good way to remember all the lessons learned and to track our improvements over time.
Exactly. I also talk with my friends about our study plans and share tips. We sometimes study together in groups, and that makes the process more fun and less stressful.
Group study sessions are very helpful. I learn different perspectives on the same topic, and it clears up many doubts. Plus, it feels like we are all working together toward a common goal.
Yes, teamwork in studies is very important. We support each other, and if one of us does not understand something, the others help out. It creates a positive and motivating environment.
I agree. I am also planning to attend a few extra workshops and online seminars that will help me improve my skills. They are very useful and sometimes free.
That is a great idea. I have joined an online coding challenge group, and it has improved my problem-solving skills a lot. I plan to do more of that.
It is amazing how the internet offers so many learning opportunities. I sometimes watch videos about legal cases and debates, which help me prepare for my future career.
Technology has really changed the way we learn. We have so many resources at our fingertips. I feel lucky to be studying in this time.
Me too, Bob. I believe that if we continue to work hard, study smart, and support each other, we will achieve our dreams.
Absolutely, Alice. Our study goals and future plans are within our reach if we remain focused and positive.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Bob. Talking about our dreams and study plans makes me feel more motivated and confident about the future.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our chat very much. It helps to share our experiences and remind us why we work so hard.
Let's keep in touch and maybe study together sometimes. It is always good to share ideas and learn from one another.
I would love that, Alice. I'll send you a message, and we can plan a group study session soon.
Perfect. I look forward to our next meeting. Have a great day and happy studying, Bob.
You too, Alice. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Bob.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.